Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to get the crying filter in the TikTok. So if you want to get the crying filter like this on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to go back and open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will do it, now you have to click on your emoji button right here. Once you will do it, now you have to select this filter. This is the filter, and if you won't find it right here, simply click on the explore on the right bottom and search the crying filter right here, crying, and on the top you will get this filter. So simply click on it. After that you can record a video and edit it on CapCut or on the TikTok and upload this video on the TikTok. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.